to talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it, then it's going to show for you list like this here. You click on settings, so then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on sync here, just click on it, then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, come here to custom sync server. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Come here to sync URL here, just click in this sign, then like so, then here add sync URL here, so you add it here like this here, so you add link here, so like for example like this here. So when you just add it, if you have it here sync URL, it's going to add with you here, then you click on OK, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing.